Good afternoon, my name is Andrea del Carmen Gomez Velasquez and this is my oral practice of the Unit 2 in English subject. My teacher's name is Hermes Mesa Hernandez and the purpose of this video is do a monologue using used to and simple past. Well, I'm gonna start saying that I think that I'm the kind of person that always wants to try a new thing. Something new like a sport, soccer, basketball, football, or something more artistic like dance or painting, take photos, or something like that. When I was a child, I liked so many things, and my mom wanted to I try new things and I do an activity and my mom wanted that I did some activity in my free time, so I did so many activities. Well, when I was 3 years old, I used to take ballet classes, and I didn't learn so much about it, but I remember that I used to do acrobatic movement that my father and my teacher called it estrellitas, and that was amazing because I did this activity, this movement all the time, in wherever, in the kitchen, in the living room, and wherever. And my mom used to tell me, Andrea, don't do this, it is dangerous. And yes, it was dangerous, but I didn't understand this when I was a child. So after that, I used to take swimming classes. The name of my teacher was Lulu, and the teacher Lulu used to make a cheesecake, and I bought a piece of the cheesecake always after the class. Well, after that, I used to take belly dance classes. Well, I did this activity like 2 weeks because I was afraid about the teacher, and maybe it was because the teacher was my first man teacher, and and I was afraid. And well, I am a little girl, right? I was a little girl. I am a little girl, but this is another topic. Well, after that, I used to play basketball in the primary school with my friends, and I remember that the girls were one team, and the boys were other team, and it was so funny. I remember that I used to take I used to take aerial dance classes since 4 years, and I used to practice this activity like 3 hours per day and 6 days per week. And it was amazing because I love it, and I love in the present, I love, and in the past. So I think it was my passion, and it is my passion. This activity is the activity that I love with all my heart. So, but I don't do this activity anymore because I take English classes. So the English classes are in the same hour that my area dance classes so I can do this. And I understand that because the English is more important in this moment for my future. Well, I remember that when I was in these classes, I used to go to presentations in Piraguas Park, Juarez Park, the mall, and other places, and I think it was great. But well, this was all my activities, and in conclusion, I did so many things in the past, and like I said in other videos, English is so important for our futures. Uh, well, in this video, I try to be more relaxed and just speak like in the activity set, because my English teachers tell me, when you want to talk in English, you don't try to translate the things that you think in Spanish. You only speak, and I try to do this. So this is all for me, and thank you so much for paying attention. Blessings and have a great week.